Good morning from the farm. The sunrise is absolutely beautiful today, and the girls are enjoying the calm morning air.
Good morning. The girls are already waiting for us. Let's get this day started.
Good morning, everyone. The girls are slowly making their way out to the pasture for the day. So I'm just checking the milk quality on number 42 here. Everything looks good. I'll just log that in the tablet before moving to the next one. And here we are filling the trough. Takes a little while, but the cows appreciate the fresh water every morning. Good morning from the farm. We're just getting the girls in for the first milking of the day. They mostly know where they're going.
Morning, everyone. As you can see, it's feeding time. They always know when the fresh stuff is coming.
And this is Bessie, our trusty farmhand, making sure the cows are behaving during breakfast.
It's feeding time here at the farm. The girls are enjoying their fresh TMR.
And this is where the magic happens. The milk goes directly from the udder into these pipes, completely untouched. All right, so the first step is always making sure the udder is completely clean before we attach the machine. This is Elsie. She's one of our calmest cows. Just chewing her cud while the machine does the work. Just checking the seal on the tank before the truck arrives. All good here. So we're putting down fresh sawdust today. The girls love this stuff, keeps them clean and comfortable, especially the older ones. Look how fast they move in. All right, let's check on number 32 here. Looking good. Heartbeat is strong and steady. She's doing great.
All right, let's take a look here. She's a bit overdue for a trim, but the important thing is keeping them clean and checking for stones. So this is how we keep the girls cool when it gets hot. The misting system really helps them relax and stay comfortable.
Good morning, everyone. As you can see, the girls are enjoying their first feeding of the day. We keep this barn spotless to ensure their comfort. Here they are, the beautiful Ayrshire girls, heading back to the parlor for the evening milking. It's been a warm day, but they are happy to be home. And here they are, heading back into the shed for the evening milking. This is the last group of the day. Just getting the evening meal spread out for the girls. They seem pretty happy with this mix tonight.
These are our lovely Guernsey girls. They spend a good part of the day just relaxing and chewing their cud, which is a sign of a healthy, happy cow.
This is old Shep, making sure no one gets through the main gate this morning. He takes his job very seriously.
And there they go. The night lights are on. Time for the evening milking routine.